Stunt.
Formation.
And rioters, government from office, stand for this.
And on Downing Street.
Full advantage.
Reports that Parliament is now on The following broadcast is being issued at the request of the government in exile of the United Kingdom and the Dominion of Canada. It's been a decade since the Christmas Revolution, when the former government of Boris Johnson was toppled by brainwashed revolutionaries over the outrageous accusations of child poverty, who were aided by our traitorous armed forces, forcing us to flee to the dominion of Canada like a fox with its tail between its legs. The remnants of the British Army who were loyal to us have joined the Canadian Armed Forces with dignity into retaking our birthright. In addition, the Royal Canadian Navy have been conducting naval exercises in the territorial waters of the Republic of Britain. With the whole majority of the Royal Navy fleeing with us, our experienced captains and officers have been running rings around the Republic's ships, making them look like fools. In other updates, the Canadian Parliament has passed Bill C-9, making conscription mandatory to every able-bodied man in readying the economy for war. So, men of Canada, men of the Commonwealth, do your part in retaking our birthright by going to your local recruitment office at 9 AM to 10 PM. We thank you for listening, and so God help us, we will reclaim the United Kingdom. The following broadcast is being issued by the Royal Canadian Armed Forces. The government has given us the green light to Operation Avalon. With the success of Bill C-9, we have raised 650,000 men for the Army, 75,000 men for the Navy and 24,000 for the Air Force, with an additional 250,000 in reservation. Support for the war is at an all-time high, with many newspapers calling that we strike now. As of now, the 3 branches of the army are being transported to Iceland, who have granted us military access after the Canadian government decided to bail out Iceland after it had experienced economic downturn. The main bulk of the army will launch an amphibious assault in Scotland, with diversion invasions in Truro and York. From there we will contact the loyalists and secure the country and prepare for an assault on London. We have waited for over a decade to enact our vengeance on the traitorous conspirators. God save the King. We will put an end to this Republican madness and reclaim the Bless Home Isles. The following message is transmitted at the request of the government of the Republic of Britain. At 6 AM. Greenwich Mean Time. An invasion has been confirmed to be taking place at this time. The Canadian Army are taking huge parts of the country. The following areas taken are Manchester, Birmingham, Yorkshire, Newcastle, Edinburgh, Glasgow, Aberdeen, Belfast, Londonderry and Dublin. They have now entered London and heavy street fighting is taking place around the city. Many fleeing government ministers have been headhunted and killed in public. President Keir Starmer is still reported to be in Downing Street, as he was last seen in the presidential apartments. All citizens of the Republic are ordered to fight and resist the invaders by whatever means possible. Long live the Republic of Britain. The following broadcast has been transmitted at the request of the government of the United Kingdom. At 2:41 AM. At General Sir Nicholas Carter's headquarters, General John Brown, the designated Commander-in-Chief of the Republican forces, and President Keir Starmer, the designated head of the British Republic, signed the Act of Unconditional Surrender of all Republican C. air and land forces in Britain to the British and to the Commonwealth High Command, ending our reconquest of our birthright and restoring Britain to its rightful place in the world. The year of vengeance has been accomplished. May God bless the United Kingdom. Thanks for supporting our government and we thanks you for your cooperation.